Welcome everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this effect using your blend modes. They also call it double exposure, but I'm not using screen mode on my blending for compositing all this. But yeah, this is something very cool and you can use it for whatever kind of videos you're making. So let me play this whole clip for you because it also includes some sound effects that I have added. You can check this. Yeah, so I have added a lot of things to make it look little better. Okay, so let me play this clip for you. Okay guys, so you have seen the clip, and now I just want to break down this edit. I obviously can't edit this from the scratch because it took me almost like 2 hours to edit this. So I'm just going to break down this quickly. Okay, so I started with this woman opening her eyes slowly. This is from the stock footage, and as she opens, I've added this transition, a bloom effect. Yeah, I have all the free transitions from FCP10, nothing fancy right now. And top of this, I've added clip which has this painting, and as you can see, I've also zoomed in inside this shot. Yeah, and then I have added this shot on top of this, so when you see it together you can see the shot slowly blends in into the woman's face and until the end. I have added this man who is on fire. Okay, and this is a compound clip. Let me open this and you will see what is inside. So inside this compound clip, I'm going to zoom in. These are very small clips. Okay, very small clips. They are hardly like 2 frames. This is one, this is two, and there's a gap of 1 frame between every of these shots. And you can see there are many clips that I have lined up, and I'm just going to play this for you. It's also adding some kind of a feel to the clip, as if some kind of a suspense. But yeah, you can see how I have played with it. So this man burning clip on the top, I'm just going to show it to you how it looks without any effects, and you can see that I have added a shape mask, which is this one. Yeah, and then I have zoomed it. Clip is actually quite large. I have actually zoomed it. I'm going to switch this back. So I'm done with this top layer of man burning, and you can see the blend mode of the man burning is set to lighten. Okay, it's right here in the inspector, and I have zoomed it from the first frame. You can see this added to transform of this first clip, and slowly the man gets larger in the face, and until it's zoom outs. So this is the final scale of the clip. Okay, so I have given this zoom in effect to the man burning, And I have also given the zoom in effect to this woman, which you can see in the transform. I've added some keyframes. I'll just play it once. You can see the woman. We are zooming into her face. Yeah, so this animation has been added through keyframes. Okay, and this clip, the painting clip in the water, which is adding a texture to it. This is set to a blend mode called color burn. I really like how it looks and gives the effect a very red look. You know, I can change this to something like screen. But I really wanted that red to come out, so I have kept it. So I have kept this to color burn. Okay, spend some time in adding some layers to the sound. I have added rescue helicopter sound to give some effect. I have some fire sound in the background. I have some this which gives like a good bass. Then I have this drone sound which creates a bit of suspense. Then I have added some metal hits in the beginning and in the end. I have reversed this metal hit to just give that effect of the sound being sucked back, and lots of things that I have added. I have added something boxing match and door was open, just to give that heaviness to the video. I've added some whoosh. So I have played a lot uh, while experimenting this, and yeah, so far I enjoyed it. I enjoyed creating this clip. It was very much something that I didn't plan. Obviously, I've added some music also in the end. Yeah, so that's all I think I have to share inside this breakdown tutorial. And see you guys in next tutorial. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Okay, so all right. Thank you so much and see you guys soon.